No one who seeks the place of leadership should take for granted the lesson derivable from the Wike school of politics. Without doubt, I have said this repeatedly, positively impacting the lives of citizenry can only be the grand norm, the ultimate raison d'etre of politics and governance. People who choose not to be charitable talk of what they imagine is Wike's stubbornness, Wike's combative approach to issues. For me, Mr. Governor, I can surely live with your fabled stubbornness, provided you accompany it with your impressive single-minded commitment to development. That is the Wike essence. Now let me talk about equity in politics. There's no question about the fact that equity in politics brings to the fore the place of identity in a multi-ethnic politics like ours. To suggest that identity can be discounted in such a context is untruthful. The sensibility of regional groups, indeed every demographic compartment, about equity, justice, fairness, can simply not be jettisoned on the altar of political convenience, expediency, and some braggadocio. It therefore needs to be emphasized that agitation for responsible management of our diversity, which is the root of what Governor Wike represents Nigerian politics of today, is not a North versus South phenomenon. It's not an issue of North versus South. It's actually a pan-Nigeria phenomenon that we cannot run away from. It is a patriotic call for unity based on fairness. Yes, it certainly is not an end in itself. It's not an end in itself, but it's a necessary route towards national inclusiveness and cohesion, the type that will drive development itself. You cannot develop a polity when there's a deep gap of trust between the component ethnic nationalities. And this must be absolutely clear. Many people will say, yes, what we need is competence. Yes, your competence can only translate to development if the trust factor is there. And our experience in the last 7 years has taught us conclusively that the management of our diversity is sine qua non to rapid development in our land. Mr. Governor, your agitation, you have demonstrated that it is not agitation for the sake of agitation. It's agitation that drives development. May the good Lord continue to bless you. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to say that as far as we are concerned, Mr. Governor, we stand by every tenet of your agitation for social justice, fairness in this country. We will be with you, and let me emphasize again that this is not about Wike. This is not about southern Nigeria. It's about justice in our land. It is only justice that can drive development in this country. And I have no doubt in my mind that eventually when this history of this era gets written, your name will be written in pure gold. As I listen to your Honorable Commissioner for Works describe the import and importance of this road, connecting Indorama, which is one of the major industries in this country and this state, with your airport and all the intervening villages and towns. There is no question about the fact that this road will be very, very impactful. Once again, I want to thank you for this. I want to thank you for this. when Wike dances and sings, Yemba, 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 Yemba. I asked them yesterday, what is the meaning of Yemba, Yemba? They say, what is good for you, goose is good for the gander, so to say. That is the very essence of your struggle. Yes, you dance, you make seriousness out of what looks like unseriousness for the uninitiated. But continue with your struggle. The good Lord is with you. The people of River State are with you. And all those who have discerning mind about the future of our country are with you. God bless you.